This video explains the budget spreadsheet that I posted that I was going to create for y'all. Basically, what you do is you go to this section, all this section in light yellow, you can enter budget categories, and I've entered a few, and you can change them and add additional ones so long as you don't go past this yellow shaded area. So let's say you want to add another expense. You can name it whatever you want, and then input your budgeted amount for that month. Over here, it's going to go to the monthly ledger and track how much you've spent that month on this category. This column will calculate whether you're above or below your budget. If you still have money left in that budget category, it'll color code it green. If you've overspent, it'll color code that difference red. The values or titles that you enter in this yellow category will show up in the monthly ledger over here. You don't need to type any of this information in. When you complete the budget category labels, it fills it in here. And in fact, I've actually locked this section so you can't make changes here. And there's room for you to add additional budget categories again in this section, and it'll fill them in over here. And I've inputted a few transactions just to get us started. You of course can delete those or just replace them. So let's add another transaction. So let's say on the 18th of July I bought some more groceries. Oops, I actually did that wrong. When you click on the budget category cell, it's kind of hard to see, but there should be a little drop down box right here. And what it does is it accesses all the categories in the budget category, and you can just choose which account it should belong to. So that goes to groceries. And let's say I went to Hagen's and I spent $14.16. And I could put, what I spent it on and things like that. And I don't know if you noticed, but when I typed in 1416 here, it popped it over here into the groceries category. And then it also went to the budget category and is included it in this actual. So I'm gonna actually add another grocery item to the ledger. So remember, right now it's showing $62.87, but I'm going to add another one. So let's say on the 21st of August or July I went and spent some more money on groceries, so I'm going to choose it from my drop down account. Let's say that was at Fred Meyer and I spent $82.18. So it popped it over here and then also popped it up here in my actual total for groceries thus far for this month, and I'm still under budget by $55. Let's say on the 24th I spent, we'll go to entertainment, and I'm not going to fill in a category for that. I'm just trying to show you how to use this. So let's say I spent $78.25 on entertainment. It has popped that over here in the entertainment column, and it has popped it down here in the entertainment column. I already had some money, I believe, on entertainment, so it summed it, and now I've overspent. I've spent a total of 88 for my budget of 50, so I'm over by $38 on my budgeted amount. So that's how you use the spreadsheet. I've locked all the cells except ones you should be inputting information into, and those are these yellow cells. So you can input information into the yellow cells, and I've locked the rest so you don't accidentally change a formula. But if you really want to change the formulas and adjust it, the password to unlock it is just password. And I'm not going to tell you how to unlock it. You're going to have to really want to unlock it and go figure out how to unlock a spreadsheet to do that. Send me questions or suggestions for improvement, and I'll be happy to try to do those.